What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add text behind objects in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you're looking to create that cool effect where text appears behind a subject in your video, you're in the right place. To start, open up your project in Premiere Pro and navigate to the point in your timeline where you want the text to appear behind an object. The first thing you'll need to do is add our text. Select the Type tool from the toolbar or press T on your keyboard. Then, click anywhere on the program window to type your text. You can write whatever you like, and this will be the text that will appear behind your object. Once you've typed your text, feel free to make adjustments to your text. Change the font, size, color, or any other properties to suit your style. You want to make sure your text looks exactly how you want it, because this is the final appearance in your video. Next, we need to extend the duration of your text layer to match the length of your video clip. To do this, simply drag the edges of the text layer in the timeline so it covers the full duration of your clip. Now, we'll get into the part where we place the text behind an object. To achieve this, we're going to duplicate our video layer. Hold Alt or Option on a Mac, and then click and drag your video layer upwards to create a duplicate video layer 3, which should be positioned above your text layer. With this setup, the next step is to isolate the object you want the text to appear behind. To do this, we're going to use an effect called Color Key. Go to the Effects panel and search for Color Key. Once you find it, drag and drop the Color Key effect onto the duplicated video layer. Now, with your top video layer selected, go to the Effect Controls panel. Scroll down to find the Color Key settings. You'll see an option to use a dropper tool. Click on the dropper tool and then click on a part of your video that is behind your subject. You're essentially selecting the background color that you want to key out. A key point here is that this method works best if the foreground object is a different color than the background. If your background and subject are too similar in color, it will be harder to achieve a clean effect. Once you've selected the background color, adjust the color tolerance and edge thin settings. These sliders help refine the mask, allowing you to hide the background while keeping your subject intact. Adjust the color tolerance to fine-tune how much of the background gets removed. Be careful with this though, you want the text to appear behind the subject, but you don't want parts of your text or subject to disappear. If you see any rough edges or glitches, use the Edge Thinner slider to clean up the edges and make it look more natural. As you tweak these settings, you should start seeing the text appear behind your subject. Continue fine-tuning until the effect looks smooth and realistic. The goal is to key out just enough of the background to give the illusion that the text is sitting behind the object without affecting your subject or the text itself. Once you're happy with the result, you can play through the video to see how it looks in motion. This technique gives you a dynamic and professional looking effect, perfect for enhancing the visuals of your video. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.